Okay. So here you can see some I symbol, right? For each and every column, you can see some I symbol, isn't it? Can you see over here? Some I symbol is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So see what happens, one more difference is there between this dimension table and fact table. Okay. The thing is that dimension table will be having primary key and fact table will be having foreign key. Whatever is common between them, that particular key will be acting as a primary key over here, and the same key will be acting as a foreign key in the fact table. Okay. For example, this particular table is connected to this table, right? This is their connection. What is the common key between them? Common column? It's
Customer
getting
key.
highlighted. Customer key, right? So here customer key act as primary key and the same customer key act as foreign key over here. And always remember, whenever you are going to make a chart out of this connection and all, okay, whatever model you have made out of that, if you are going to make a chart or anything like that, so always remember, never ever use this foreign key. Always use primary key in your visuals and all. Okay, so somehow if you are not, you are not that careful, and if you are not, if accidentally you are taking some of the foreign key, in that case problem may occur in the end. Okay, so what you have to do, always hide this particular foreign key. For that, this I symbol is useful. Okay, when you will click on this I symbol, okay, it will become hidden. Okay, a cross is over there, right? The same thing as we encounter in while typing our passwords and all, the same way. Okay, now it is hidden. When it is not hidden, when I will click on it once more, now it is not hidden, it is there. Okay, now you can see its presence. What was the table name? Sales, right? Sales 2015. It's customer key. It is there. Okay, customer key is there. Okay, now when I am going to hide it, okay, I will click on this I mark. Okay, when I will check it later, you can't see any customer key over here. So whenever you are creating model, there itself you have to hide this particular foreign keys. So later there won't be any issue. Okay, here also I am hiding this particular product key. Okay, is it clear, everyone? What is foreign key? What is primary key? Clear, right? Whatever common key
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the common column is there in the dimension table, that act as a primary key, and the same column act as a foreign key in fact table. And we have to always hide those foreign key. Okay, then only we can make our model perfectly. Otherwise, issues may occur. Clear? So I'm going to close this session. Any doubts? Right now, after 7 minutes itself, we will meet again during this Python classes. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Any doubts? You can ask. All of you got the message? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. So I'm going to close the session. Right?
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, uh, can uh, uh, can there be any primary key or foreign key based on date column?
There is a possible date column. I don't know. I have not encountered such projects, but there is a possibility if there, if the same column is there in both, there is a possibility, but mostly what happens, I mean, those kind of date entities will be there in fact table. Rarely it happens. I'm not sure about it, but I don't think it will happen. Rarely it may happen.
Okay.
Date in the sense like date columns will
Ma'am,
be there
like
in
if there are
I mean
two
dimension
scenarios.
table also. Like in dimension table, you may have seen the sorry, here I will tell you. Uh, See, this is a date table, right? But it is somewhat a static thing because it is birth date only, isn't it? And here, date is somewhat different. It is a continuous, it is showing some continuous analysis and all. Okay. Date may be there in this particular column also. There is a possibility. I mean, in dimension table also date may occur, but it may be somewhat a fixed date. Okay, like a person's date of birth will never change, right? This is corresponding to a single person. This is corresponding to another person like that. Date may occur in dimension table. That is not an issue. It is a dimension table. But like it should
Uh,
act as a primary key and other should act as a foreign key. That may there may be chances. I mean,
Ma'am, not in the case of date of birth, but if in this our case, if one column of date is about booking
those kind of tables will
date
be
and other
usually
column the
fact
delivery
table
date.
only.
So
Those kind of table now, whatever is showing what is happening in this company, that will be usually
mhm,
the fact table. This
right.
kind of static data may occur in dimension table.
Okay.
Okay. I
Thank you,
don't
ma'am.
think that it will happen. I'm also a beginner, so that's why I can't
Okay.
say 100% about it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, bye. Let's meet after 4 minutes.